Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to clean muddy water at home. Collect water, then let solids settle and set up your filtration and disinfection steps immediately. I will guide you through settling, coarse filtering with cloth, layered sand and gravel filtration, and safe boiling or chemical disinfection options. Follow each step in order and test clarity before drinking to reduce risk and improve taste. Settle dirty water by leaving it still so sand and silt sink to the bottom, then carefully decant the clear layer into another container. Take your time while pouring to avoid disturbing sediment and repeat settling if needed. Settling reduces the load on filters and makes subsequent filtration faster and more effective, helping keep cloth and sand filters from clogging too quickly during home treatment. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep treated water and snacks secure, and they double as handy storage during water treatment. They're great for transporting clear, treated water without spills. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use progressively finer filters. Begin with a clean cloth or coffee filter, then pass water through layered gravel, coarse sand, and fine sand in a funnel or bottle. Filter slowly and allow water to percolate through each layer for better particle removal and clearer output. Rinse and replace layers as they clog, and always combine filtering with a disinfection step to address microbes that filtration alone will not remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.